my beautiful channel. This is your beautiful Amiga Chinita. Charot! Hola guys! Welcome to our channel. This is your Amiga Chinita and today is weekend and we have a date. Amigo and I have a date. Center. We are going to sweat ourselves.
Dus je gaat wat zwemmen op het toilet of take a shower take a bath?
Ayoko nga, I will get baluga nga. You are always bullying me when I get baluga. You said I'm baluga. So, maingay ka. Ayan guys, so we are going to see what are the rebajas today. So today is summer sale. Start rebajas, right? Sasampalin kita. And he's going to date me for the first time of forever. So he's going to date me today to, I don't know, so we will walk and then we'll see where I'm going to eat. So today is a beautiful day and she told me to wear something very fresh, fresco, dahil because it's very hot now. It's summer! Yay! Huh? So yes guys, so we are going to see what are the sales today. That's supposed to be, I think it was already started. It says July 1st or 1st of July, but it started today. So no, not today, I think 2 days ago. 2 days ago it was started, summer sale, and of course you will see what are the offers and then I'm gonna show it to you what are the sales or rebajas right now here in Spain. So vamos guys! No, not yet, wait. Yes guys, so abangan ninyo or wait for our live, maybe together with Amigo Chinito or maybe only me. But first we need to buy the ring light because in our home there is no the light, or I don't know how to say that. It's very it's dark, so you know it's not so good to go on live. So we will wait for that. So you have to wait for our live soon. Maybe are you coming with me?
What?
Live?
What?
And when we have the light, the ring light that I was telling you about. Lagi na lang yung ganyan, nakakapwisip. Look at this crazy guy.
Basta.
This is wrong, completely wrong. So guys, we're here in, what's the name of this restaurant? Iberica restaurant. So this is burger restaurant. I think last week I ate burger and today I'm going to eat burger again. So, and I didn't take a video of the shops that we have been already because I'm excited to go inside because they have so many sales. And this one is annoying me. It's annoying me so much.
Aprovecho.
What is this? Ah, yes.
I think that's what they're ready to do.
for him is this one. Look at that. With syringe or syringe, something like that. Like injection. And we end up eating ice cream. Mine is melon flavor. Yee! So this is the mall that is popular here. And those are these are the love. You know, if your eyes was like mine, if you give me your eyes, your love, if I have your nose, I will be beautiful. If I have your eyelashes, I will be very, very, very beautiful. You know? You know or you don't know? Why you're not talking to me? And if I have your height, you know, I will be a supermodel. You know? Huh? I don't like fat. Of course, I'm not going to be fat. I'm going to take care of my body because I will be a supermodel. You know, bikini model. How's that? Do you like it?
Okay.
Ewan ko sa'yo, kahirap mong kausap.